welcome back to my channel. Today is Fun Cooking Friday. We're going to make chicken potato bake. Yeah, chicken potato bake. I think you can make like a chicken veggie bake too, but I'm gonna do potatoes because I like potatoes. And yeah, I'm sorry, I'm leaning down right now in my kitchen. I am not this short. I have to hold the binky for this little cranky one. But we are going to get started and I will let you know how I make the chicken potato bake. And this is my first time, so bear with me. But let's see how this goes. Alright guys, we are going to start with chopping up the potatoes into 1 long cut, 3 small ones, just depending on the size of the potatoes. You just want to make bigger chunk pieces, kind of like this size, and just put it all in a bowl because we are going to be mixing it. I think it's almost time to get a new knife set. Yeah. I think so. I'm going to try and have to do this fast because I have to pick up my son, so we'll find out if this is a nice easy dinner to kind of do on a last minute notice. And by the way, if you have just the bare necessities of like the seasonings and everything, all you really need to buy is the potatoes, a piece of garlic, the parsley, and the chicken, and all that was no more. I think it was $14 for everything, so it wasn't too bad price-wise either, which is nice. Alright, so I'm going to finish cutting up the potatoes, and I will let you know what I'll be doing next. I think I'm going to chop up the garlic, grill the garlic, and season the potatoes, and I will show you the seasoning of the potatoes. Guys, so now we are going to season the potatoes. Let me see, let me move this out of the way. And so we have all of our potatoes chopped up nice and good and neat. Kind of mix them around and everything. We're going to mix it anyways. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can use any other kinds of oils if you'd like, but I'm just going to use a tablespoon of vegetable oil because that's all I kind of have right now. So, I might actually add 2. You can do 1 to 2. I'm going to add 2 because I did quite a bit of potatoes. Alrighty. And then I'm going to add my salt. Just kind of go to see where it goes everywhere. My salt shaker is very small, as you can see. And yeah, so, shaking away. Shake, 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 alright. And then add some pepper, give it that spice. And I'm going to do a little bit something different and add a little bit of garlic salt. Garlic salt is my favorite and it adds flavor to everything. So I'm going to go for it and just kind of mix it around. Okay. Mix and mix and mix. Get all that seasoning all over it. And after this, we are going to go ahead and spray some non-stick spray into, I have Pam. I love Pam. They have olive oil kind if you are doing olive oil instead. I would even consider doing coconut oil would be cool. But I'm going to rinse my hands off really quick and then I will show you how to put it inside the pan. Give me 1 second. Okay, get my pan, get that pan, yeah. And just spray. And you're going to lay all the potatoes inside and just kind of spread them out nice and neat. And we are going to stick this in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then we will take it out and stick the chicken in to bake. Alright? Okay, so I forgot to record that you need to put the garlic in there. So I put the garlic in, it's all seasoned and ready to go into the oven. So here we go. Bam! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! And just really don't burn yourself, people, because it's not going to feel good. So keep that in there for 15 minutes, and then we'll take it out and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we will add the chicken. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to pull the potatoes out of the oven, and then I just want to show you, I just sliced the chicken in half to make them into 4 pieces so you can have a little bit more chicken in there. You can chop it up smaller if you'd like, but instead of just doing 2 pieces of chicken, I'm going to do 4. So let me grab the potatoes and then I'll put these in the potatoes. Give me 1 second. Already looking yummy. Okay, so with the chicken, I'm going to just set them in here, kind of however I can fit all of it, because these are big, actually pretty big pieces of chicken. Okay, and let me grab my pliers because I'm not about to touch these potatoes. And I'm just going to kind of mix, or first, actually, sorry, I'm going to put some more oil on top of the chicken. This one I'm going to do 1 teaspoon and try and just use it on 2. So I'll do 2 teaspoons, but I'll pour it on 1 chicken and then the other piece. Alrighty, and I'm just going to kind of rub in the oil with my fingers. Spread it all throughout the chicken. Try not to touch the pan. Alrighty, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the salt, and then I'm gonna add the salt, the pepper, and the garlic salt, just a little bit, and stick it back. Interruptions after interruptions. I don't know if I'm ever gonna finish cooking this. Alrighty, so I'm just sinking down the chicken into the potatoes so you can kind of mix, put all the flavor of the potatoes in the chicken as well, and after you put all the seasoning back on it, the oil on top of the chicken, spread it on the chicken, and mix the potatoes in with the chicken. And then I'm going to stick it back in the oven. We're going to let it cook in the oven for about another 20-25 minutes. So I'll let you know how it is. The chicken pieces were very thin. They cooked pretty quick. So let me grab those, and then we're going to sprinkle the cheese and melt that for about 5 minutes in the oven, and then put some parsley to make it look pretty. Okay, let me grab it. Oh, yum. So this is the result with the chicken. Looks so bomb. Okay, so let's put some of the cheddar jack cheese. Just gonna sprinkle it a little bit everywhere. Just a little melt on top. A lot of people tend to use mozzarella or just cheddar, but I love mixture, so I use the cheddar and the jack. Ah, okay. Stuff's flying everywhere. It's normal around this house. Yeah, but 5 kids. You got stuff everywhere all the time. Alrighty, so I am going to put this back in the oven for 5 minutes, and we will let the cheese melt on top, which it looks like it's already melting since I just took it out. And then we will put the parsley on. So I'm going to now get some parsley and just kind of sprinkle some. Okay, I thought I needed more, but I don't think I need as much as I made. So I'm going to just kind of space this out. And put some of this, make it look pretty and fancy-fied. Even though the kids will probably take it off, but that's okay. Alrighty guys, so thank you for cooking with me on my fun cooking Friday. We made the chicken potato bake and it looks so yummy. Can't wait to get it in my belly. Hi, alrighty guys, so we finished and I am going to grub on this goodness. So, like and subscribe please, and hit that bell to get notified whenever we post again. Thank you for watching so much. We appreciate it, and can't wait to see what we're going to do next week.